When your Costway Portable Air Conditioner isn't cooling properly, systematic troubleshooting can quickly identify the problem. We'll walk through the essential diagnostic steps. Start with the fundamentals. Verify the unit is securely plugged in and the outlet is working. Ensure the mode is set to cool and the thermostat is set lower than the current room temperature. Check that the timer function isn't activated, which could cause the unit to turn off unexpectedly. If the water full indicator is on, empty the water tank immediately, as this will prevent cooling operation. If the unit was recently moved or transported, it must stand upright for at least 24 hours before plugging it in. This allows the refrigerant to settle properly and prevents compressor damage. Dirty air filters are a common cause of poor cooling. Compare your filter to these examples. Clean or replace filters every 2 weeks for optimal performance. Blocked filters restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency significantly. Inspect the exhaust hose connection carefully. Ensure it's properly connected without kinks or overextension. The window kit must be correctly installed and sealed to prevent hot air from re-entering the room, which reduces cooling efficiency. Check the LED display for error codes, which provide specific diagnostic information. Common codes include E1 for temperature sensor issues, E2 for water tank problems, and E3 for compressor protection. Consult your manual for complete error code meanings. These diagnostic steps will identify most common cooling issues with your Costway Portable Air Conditioner. If problems persist after these checks, the issue may require advanced troubleshooting of internal components. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve cooling issues, it's time to examine the internal components. The condenser and evaporator coils are critical for heat transfer and often become clogged with dust and debris. Use a vacuum cleaner and soft brush to carefully clean both the condenser and evaporator coils. The aluminum fins are delicate, so gentle cleaning is essential to avoid damage. If ice forms on the evaporator coils, immediately turn off the unit and allow the ice to melt completely. This usually indicates airflow restrictions or low refrigerant levels. Thermostat problems can prevent proper cooling cycles. Try adjusting the temperature setting lower than the current room temperature. If the thermostat is unresponsive or erratic, it may need replacement. Drainage issues can cause the unit to shut down when the water tank is full. Ensure drain plugs are properly secured and check that continuous drainage hoses are connected correctly without blockages. Refrigerant leaks are serious issues that require professional attention. Look for signs like ice formation on coils, hissing sounds, or reduced cooling performance. Never attempt to repair refrigerant leaks yourself. A faulty compressor can cause frequent shutdowns and poor cooling performance. Compressor problems require professional diagnosis and repair. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, consult your owner's manual or contact a qualified HVAC technician.